Well, good morning. I think it's 71 degrees. It's about 7 o'clock. I think there's like 95% humidity right now. It stormed last night, I think between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Yeah, it's 2 hours. It poured down pretty good. We'll look at the little bucket here in a little bit, but everything is looking good so far. And we got the potatoes over there still drying. They're out of the moisture. Let's see what's in the little well. Okay, it's about a foot deep. Okay. So I'd say by looking at that, we might have got about 1.5 inches, but it came down pretty quick at one time. Okay, these are looking good. The butternut squash. All right, cucumbers getting thick there. Remember, I put that little stick there next to it so a little cutworm can't wrap around it, and it hasn't got to it yet because of that little stick. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Maybe I'll look on someone else's video. This is the first time I've ever grown marigolds. Started them all by seed and put them all around the garden, but the way they just kind of fell open because they're so big, that's the only thing I can think of. Yeah, this guy, he's starting to wrap around, so he's gonna be going up. I'll have to maybe start clipping him using the clips. All right, this Alaska daisy looking good. These are looking good. Wait a minute, I hear a train coming, but before we, oh, here we go. So it's funny because my son and I, we were talking yesterday. He's the one that dried out the seeds for me for the habaneros. But this right here, this is like, okay, what am I going to do with this? Well, I told him yesterday, I think I may just cut it because it's shadowing. It overshadows this for like an hour. Remember, I only get 2.5 hours anyway. So, yeah, it's gone. And I'll toss it into the chickens and they'll eat all the seeds. Let's see, this chair got thrown over. Yeah, this guy's hanging in there. He may never straighten up. All right, got a leaf that got pulled down from the rain. Squash is getting bigger. Oh, the tree. Yeah, it got knocked down. All right, well, I just threw that away, that tree. I mean, it was a avocado tree that was given to me by a lady at the gym. She's like, well, I know you have a garden, maybe you can take care of it. Well, we have winter here in Kentucky. That thing's not going to live. So, I don't know. In my garden, if something gets to be too much of a hassle and it's taken the enjoyment out of it, it's gone. I'll cut it down, pull it up, whatever. But I enjoy what I do. I enjoy coming out here and trying to figure out what's going on, who's doing what. And I enjoy it. I mean, look at this. Looks beautiful. This plant is doing awesome. These are trying to hang in there. These little butternut squash, and then I've got a couple over in that. I've got 3 in that pot. So, and here is, remember we dug out the vine borers, but it's still growing. So we'll keep an eye on it, and I'll spray again today because it all got washed off yesterday. So yeah, this has been a wild ride this summer, and I'm gonna take care of that over there. I hate to see it, but like I said, next year I think they're all gonna be about 10 feet away from the garden. All right. Oh, and by the way, I'm hoping that this does work, the 5-minute videos. God bless. Have a great day.